Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the visual level filter in Power BI Desktop. I've uploaded this file on GitHub called add a visual level filter for Power BI, and I will leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download this file and do the tutorial along with me. Let's open the Power BI Desktop, and I've got two visuals here. Let's select this clustered chart, and if I scroll this down, you can see it is giving me the option and it says visual level filters. So we will apply a filter on a calendar year, and it gives us the option. So we can apply advanced filtering with basic filtering and top-in. So we'll explore the advanced and basic filtering here. So if I select basic filtering, and it gives me the years that I want to select, and let's say I want to select 2009, 2008 and 2007, and you can see that and maybe let's just start 2006 as well and take 2009 out, and you can see that it's filtering the data. Now let's say we've got a largish year range and we just want to specify the range of years. So let's go back and say advanced filtering, and we will say that it is less than 2009 and it is greater than 2005. And if I click on apply filter, you can see we again get the same one. But let's say we say 2006, and you can see it just becomes or 2004. So you can see that we can apply visual level filters, and while we apply these filters, it does not impact the other map visuals which is also available. This would start getting impacted if we used page level filters, and we will also discuss the report level filters in the next few videos. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you. Bye.